Hello friends, so very frequently or very important question for L2 and L3 DBs. How do you identify and correct a SQL Server or query performance issue? So it is a day-to-day activity. You have to just not a proper answer, but yeah, you have an approach how to resolve that performance or query server performance or query performance issues. So we need to monitor SQL Server performance and identify the issue or bottleneck that may causing the performance degradation of the SQL Server. So you have to just first you have to identify what are the bottlenecks, what are the resources bottlenecked. Okay, so that on that you have to work. Okay, you can use tool to use Windows Performance Monitor, SQL Server Performance to dynamic management views to collect and analyze performance metrics and counters that will help you to analyze or that will give you a hint to work on that issues performance issues. Okay, so step 1 2 3 and 9, basically we have to written that in way. Troubleshooting application issues, OS level issues, network, you have to find that CPU utilizations, IO causing slowness, memory uses, blockings, schedule jobs, any. Okay, and resources, you have to use a profiler, extended event trace and all, basically. So it will take time to analyze all these things, so you have to do a step by step uh, troubleshooting. Basically, don't do more than one changes at a time, because you cannot analyze that what are the root causes, basically. Okay, so this is the best practices. You have to just change only one matrix, only one we can say that resource utilization settings or default settings to troubleshoot performance tuning and query tuning in the SQL Server. Okay, don't make more than one changes at a time. Be noted. Okay, thank you for watching.